So right now these are the stock bulbs that come with the 4runner. I'm going to be changing them over to LEDs. When you're out of the city, it's really hard to see with the stock lights. So I'm hoping that once I change them over that I'll be able to increase the visibility at nighttime. So this is what it looks like right now. I'll show you how to put them in, and then I'll show you the results after on what they look like. Alright, so this is going to be a very simple job. All you need for this is a 10mm socket on a ratchet and wrench. Of course, you're going to need the bulbs. I'm going to link the type in the description below. This is a 98 4runner. It might be different amongst years, I'm not sure. But also while I'm behind the taillight, I'm also going to be doing the brake lights since I'll already be there. So you'll need to remove the taillight, and it's just 1 and 2 10mm bolts, and then take it off, and then you can get out the bulbs behind it. Same thing for the other side, just 1 and 2. Alright, so before I start, this is what the lights look like right now. This is without the LEDs. Alright, so once you have the 10mm bolts out, the light goes this way and then out. So, to the left, the bottom two, and then out. But we have our reverse light up here, and the bottom one here is our brake light. Take an LED. Then I put it back in. These two tabs here need to go into here. So line up the tabs into the little grommets that I have here. Pushes into the right, and then in. And then you can replace the 10mm bolts. On this side, we have the LEDs installed, compared to the side that we do not. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's much brighter. So we're gonna do the same thing to this side, and then I will show you what it looks like after at night. Alright, and this is what the lights look like after the LEDs have been installed. Way brighter. And the brake lights.